Hello, I am Mark. In this video, I am going to demonstrate a new Power BI NP WMS report. The purpose of this report is to complement NaviPartner BC WMS solution with an additional set of reports that can provide our customers with detailed insight into warehouse operations and stocks in a more convenient way, with interactive visuals using all advantages of the Power BI tool. The report contains 4 main thematic units: reservations, warehouse management, posted inventories, tracking stocks, and a dashboard page that contains visuals based on the most important indicators from all pages. Reservations are referring to future deliveries for items that are not currently in stock, assuming item reservation is being used and purchase orders are being reserved against any existing sales orders. Observed through the time frame, users can see the gap between the expected receipt date and shipment, which is listed in a separate column, and act accordingly to provide a better dynamic in supply. They can also get the overview of orders that are processed in the past and have a receipt date today or in the future. Warehouse management is covered by inventory picks and inventory putaways. All activities need to be assigned to resources that work in the warehouse. This report enables you to see a summary of assigned orders, to which resources are they assigned, as well as how many are waiting to be assigned. Inventory picks and inventory putaways are analyzed separately. Orders are grouped by resources and show items that are connected to each order, so in this way you are able to get an insight into different numbers of items per order, also the quantity that was or will be handled by resources. This will further help the warehouse manager to make a balance between resources when it comes to assigned orders. Posted inventories cover posted inventory picks and posted inventory putaways. These reports track efficiency once the tasks have been assigned to resources. Users can find information on how many picks and putaways orders are processed by resources, including quantity, average time spent per pick and per quantity, as well as the total time spent. To provide a better comparison, spent time grouped by items is also provided. By having insight into the relationship between the required time and processed quantity by resources, you will be able to devise a more effective action plan and speed up the delivery process. 5 pages are dedicated to the tracking of stocks. Here you can get insight into the stocks flow, depicted in currency, as well as quantity, movement between locations, and lastly, the transactions in stocks per vendor, again shown in currency, as well as quantity. Lastly, you have the dashboard where you can see the overview of relevant information, such as quantity distribution on putaways and picks by year and month, top 10 selling items by quantity, and top 10 selling items by amount. Then, number of prosecuted putaway and pick orders by resources, top 10 vendors with highest quantity on stock. Top 20 orders with biggest gap between purchase and shipment, then cost of sold goods by vendors, actual duration for putaways by resource, and actual duration for picks by resource. We at NaviPartner hope this report will help you get a better overview of your warehouse operations and enhance the delivery process. Visit our website for more information. Thank you for watching this video.